Good morning, children. As you know, our pre-periodic exam is going to start from 27th. So now it's the time for your revision. So children, as I have sent the syllabus yesterday that your three chapters are going to come in exam and tables 2 to 10. Okay. So three chapters में से now we will revise first chapter. ठीक है, छोटे छोटे में अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू कैन आस्क मी इन द ग्रुप related to these three chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3, and you have to learn the tables as I have given 2 to 10. So your first chapter is large numbers. As we have discussed it earlier also and solved it also, we have done all the exercises one by one. So we will again revise chapter 1. So children, let's see the learning objectives, the content, the topics which we have discussed in this chapter. So you can see there are 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers, face value, place value, expanded form and standard form, comparing numbers, forming numbers, successor and predecessor, Indian and international system of numeration, and rounding of number, and the last topic was Roman numerals. So children, each and every topic we have discussed in the video. Different videos I have sent for each and every topics. So you can go in your VPS app and the videos are differently uploaded on that app. You can see one by one each if you have any problem. Otherwise you can ask me in group also. So children, 6-digit number, what we have discussed in 6-digit number, that how to make 6-digit number, and what was the smallest 6-digit number and the largest 6-digit number. So children, after this video I will ask some question. You have to tell me in that what is 6-digit number and smallest 6-digit number and the largest 6-digit number. So in 7-digit number also we have done the same, smallest 7-digit number and the largest 7-digit number, and how we can form 7-digit number. Face value and place value is face value means the number which is looking, that will be having same face value. So place value, it tells the place of the number, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and other on. Next is expanded form and standard form. So expanded form, the number will be given in short. You have to expand it according to their place value. You have to put the 0 on that and you have to expand it. Second, next topic is standard form. So the number will be given in expanded form. You have to write it in short form. So short form and the standard form are same. Okay. Comparing numbers means the two numbers will be given and you have to tell which one is greater and which one is smaller. You have to put the sign less than, greater than or equal to in the comparing numbers. In forming numbers, what we have learned in forming numbers? So forming numbers is, in the question digits will be given. You have to arrange it according to their greatest number and the smallest number. This we can see it through the exercise also. Exercise 1D. You can see here question number 4 is given. Write the greatest and the smallest number that can be formed using the digits given in the table. So here you can see some digits are given. You have to arrange these digits according to the greatest number is asked and the smallest number. So this is called forming of number. The next topic was successor and predecessor. So successor of a number is one more than the given number. For example, the successor of 5400 is 5401. Okay, so 5400 in successor, it will become 5401 because 1 will be added in 5400. So in successor we add 1. Predecessor of a number is 1 less than the given number, and example, the predecessor of 5400 is 5399. Here you can see 1 is less, 1 we have subtracted. So in predecessor we subtract 1, or in successor we add 1. So now next topic is Indian and international system of numeration. So in Indian system, we do normally, we have done it also in class 3, in class 2, we have to arrange the numbers according to their places. But in international system, there are arranged according to the periods. So there are 3 periods are given. First is ones, second is thousand, and the third is millions. So these periods are distributed in parts. Ones is distributed, you can see 3 parts are given, ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands is distributed also in 3 parts, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Millions is it will be also distributed in 3 parts, but here in this class you are having this much only. If you will see in next class, millions is also distributed in 3 parts. You can see here million, 100,000 million, and the 10,000 million, 10 million, and the 100 million. So now next topic is rounding off. Rounding off is estimation of the number, nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000. And the last topic was Roman numerals. So here we have discussed some rules. We will see it again. First rule is the numeral V can never be repeated. The letter I, X and C can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times only. Third was when a smaller numeral is placed on the right of the greater, then add the smaller one to the greater one. Fourth was when a smaller numeral is placed on the left of the greater, then we subtract the smaller one from the greater one. The numeral V is never subtracted, it is never written on the left of X. I can be subtracted from V and X only. So in the starting I have said the 3 rules. Sorry, it is having 6 rules that we are using in Roman numerals. You can see the tables also. First of all, in Roman numeral we use only alphabets. So some alphabets that we use only, we don't use all the alphabets. We are using only I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So this much alphabets we are using in Roman numerals, and from these alphabets we are making all the Roman numerals according to the rules which are given here. So children, after that, if you will have any problem, you can ask me in the group, or you solve all the exercises again in your rough copy in your homework, because any question, any exercise can become in your exam. So you have to practice all the question. We have done it each and every question in our classwork copy. So if you will have any problem, you can see from there also, but you have to solve each and every question, because anything can be asked from any exercise, from any page. So you have to prepare it properly. Prepare your first chapter. So now after first chapter we will discuss about second chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.